Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn about the date picker component in Android application using Kotlin programming language. If you will search the date picker here like this, so it would not found here because we cannot add date picker from this palette side. For that we have to go to the coding side and we will use this date picker on this side, but for that just I drag and drop any single text on this and I go to this. So I will remove this one. Now I will use date picker here like this, and we can say wrap content, and we can say wrap content and just close it, and we can also have the ID date picker like this. Now we have to give the coordinates also, so those coordinates we can also give like this, and here by using this we can put it horizontally, and by vertically we can get the position like this, horizontally and vertically. So this is the way to add this date picker in the screen. Now we have to make a coding. Just when I click on this date picker, it will display what date I have selected. For that we have to make a coding in Kotlin. So here I have implemented view binding. With the help of view binding I just added the layout here. View binding is a mechanism to overcome find by view id, means you can remove the find by view id function from your coding. Directly you can access the objects from the layout, and for adding the view binding just we have to make this changes here. We have to add the view binding equal to true in a build feature that I have explained in previous video also. If you want to learn about view binding, you can watch my previous videos also. So here just I am giving the information that whenever I click on the date picker and then I will initialize it with the information that is required. What is the requirement? Year, month, day and the event handling on date change listener that I required. So how I can give this? For giving this I need a object of calendar class. So calendar dot get init instance I need it. Now here I can pass first I need the year. So year, so I say call dot get, and here I will calendar dot year like this way. Okay, we have to declare the variable like this, and then we have to month equal to like this, and here we have the dot month. Then we have the day call dot get, and here we have to pass calendar dot day of month like this. Now these three information I have to fill here, like year, then month, then day, and then we have to put the event on date change listener. So like this we can add the listener, and here I can make a coding. So whenever I will select this, on date change listener will activate, and here I will display toast, and with the help of toast application context, and here I need to pass the year, and year how I can pass it. I can pass binding dot date picker dot we can say day of month, then we have to merge it like this, then we have to say binding dot date picker dot month like this, then we have to again give the binding dot to hit plus here, binding dot date picker dot year like this way, and then we have to pass the toast dot short dot show like this way, and we have to merge it with the string. And we can also connect this one like this way. We have converted, because it required a string, so we have converted it like this way, month, day of month, then month and the year. So whenever I will click on it, it will display the date which I selected. So when I run it, it will come here. It is coming now. So it will look like this. When I click on this, it will display 7/6/2021, then 2021, and I can also click on this way. I can change the year also, and I can click on this way also. So by this way I can select the information which I required, means the date I can select from the date picker. So this is the way to use a date picker using Kotlin programming language. That's all in this video.